Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel and to another video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you like this video. Please leave me in the comments below what other videos you guys want to see from me, but please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification so you can get notified every time I upload a video. So today we're going on to part 2, I guess, of how to start your cleaning business, and today I want to share some ways of how you can get your first clients for your cleaning business. So these are literally things that I have used, so they work and I have tested them and people still use them. So first is, if you live in Australia or I think other countries as well, you can use Airtasker. Airtasker is where you can get your first clients for your business. That is like one thing I highly recommend. When I first started my business, I made $1,000 in 1 week from all the from clients that were on Airtasker, because it is so good that you just have to bid for jobs like there is no tomorrow. So go there and bid for as many jobs as you possibly can for people that are offering cleaning services. If you don't know what Airtasker is an app that you use to people go on there and offer I guess ask for people to clean for them. So this is what Airtasker is. Airtasker looks like that. Oh, that's my logo there. The Airtasker looks like this. So that's Airtasker right there. You can see the name of there, and you post what is you want, or you post your task for free. You post it literally for free. You earn money, you know, as a tasker on if you start posting your job, and pretty much there's all kinds of job on there. So you can go home cleaning, furniture, delivery, gardening. There's so many jobs on Airtasker that you can bid for. If cleaning isn't something, if you try cleaning and you're not getting as many clients, you can try something else. Sometimes there's people on there just needing someone to pick up something from one location to another. So if you're after making some really good quick money, definitely Airtasker is just a good way for you to go. Sorry, it just got really cold all of a sudden. I'm putting my jacket back on. Another thing that Airtasker is honestly my #1 go-to, and I recommend it to anyone who says they want to start a business or they are just after some quick cash. I recommend Airtasker. You can even wash cars. There's just, the jobs on there are honestly endless. There's just jobs, so many jobs on there. I think if you're not in Australia, there is also like the Nextdoor app. There is other apps that you can use to find jobs if you're not obviously in Australia. But yeah, that's, if you're Australia, this is what really I recommend. Another thing that you can do is print out flyers. Since you have a logo, you have a business name. If you watch my first video, then you should have had a logo, a business name, and that kind of stuff already. So if you create a flyer and just do drop-ins to like your local, you know, your neighborhood, that someone will reach out to you. I also did that at the beginning of my business, so that was something that I went ahead and did. Definitely, did I get as many clients as Airtasker? No, not as much actually. The other thing that I did that actually got me clients was posting on local Facebook groups, like community groups. So I posted on there, hi guys, I have a cleaning business, I've got availabilities, and I listed some dates, making sure you're only listing a few availabilities, so that way it's like you only have a few spots left, so you have many people wanting to book with you. Don't just be like, oh yeah, I'm available all the time, because people will be like, why are you available all the time? So make sure you are only saying you have limited spots available. Let me know if you have. That way I found so many of my current clients that I have now through there. It's honestly a great way. And also on community Facebook group, there's always someone there looking for a cleaner as well. So make sure you're always following like community pages, and every time someone comments, does anyone know a cleaner, make sure you're leaving your name on there. It doesn't matter how old the post is, go back and put your name on there that you own a cleaning business, because you never know who will be going back to find a cleaner that way. I also have like 2 clients that I have that someone had requested a cleaner and I left my name on there, and then they contacted me through there. And on Facebook community groups, people always ask for insurance and police clearance, so that's where you really need to make sure you have that in place, so you can send it to anyone who requests that. That's a really good like Facebook. And another thing that is really good is obviously start having a social media. Like TikTok is one that I have gotten so many clients from, so make sure you have that like social media, like so many. So before you start doing paid ads for your business, just try all these different ways to get clients before you start running ads, because I tried running ads at the beginning and honestly I didn't see any returns from that, so I just stopped doing that. And when I started posting on social media like TikTok and Facebook and Instagram, that's when really I was getting quite a few clients from that, especially TikTok. So many clients reach out to you by TikTok, so make sure you have social media available for you to, I guess, market yourself. Like do before and after videos. It will really bring more clients to your business, and that is pretty much how you have, I guess different ways that client can find you. Another thing that I then have is also I have a Facebook account. Facebook is, I have to say I haven't gotten as many people from Facebook. I'm not sure whether because my Facebook, I don't really, like I post on there but not as much as obviously TikTok and Instagram. But that's because maybe because I don't use Facebook as much as well, but I haven't found any return from posting on my business page on Facebook. Like I haven't done that yet. So, but if you already have your own Facebook group, then obviously tell your family and friends. But I don't want to tell my family and friends that I have a business, because sometimes the people who don't know you support you more than the people you know. I don't know if that makes sense, but strangers will support you more than the people you know. So when I started my cleaning business, I started it with fresh page, like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, like literally everything fresh, and I did not send it to my family and friends and all that kind of stuff, because yeah, like they will like your post but they don't actually support you. They're not going to be commenting on your videos. They're not going, obviously some family and friends are really good, they'll do that, but I just didn't want that. I started fresh because I wanted people that were generally interested in what I was offering. And to do that, sometimes you have to make sure you're not expecting your family and friends to support you, because like I said, sometimes strangers support you more than the people you know. So try and start a new Facebook page, so that way at least you've got that going. It just makes a whole lot of, it makes a difference when you do that. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it there. That is pretty much how you find your clients. I've given a few different ways of finding clients. Hopefully, if you've started your cleaning business, you can try one of the ways I've given, and hopefully that will help you pretty much start your cleaning business. Anyway, until then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.